This is Storm Chaser Aaron J. Jack, and I am here in beautiful Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada for a Storm Chaser food review. I've found a food truck here at this garden nursery, and I love food trucks, and I'm starving, so I have to try this out. It's called Fired Up. It is mobile wood-fired pizza. So I'm gonna try this Fired Up wood-fired pizza. I'm just imagining that they're gonna have a pizza with poutine on it, or a poutine pizza. So I'm hoping for. That's what I'm gonna get if they have that. Otherwise, we'll see what they've got there. But it's a beautiful day here in Winnipeg. I chased some storms in Saskatchewan yesterday. It was a big monster tornado warning supercell there, and now I'm here and back in Manitoba for a Storm Chaser food review. Well, let's go check this food truck out. For the wood-fired pizza. Oh yeah, right in the fireplace there.
$13.50.
Okay, I've got my pie here. I've got the classic mushroom pepperoni pie from Fired Up, a mobile pizza. I'm gonna go hop in the car and try this thing out. I got a Coke hiding under here. Smells good, good grease. Go eat this up. All right, we're back in the car here with this Fired Up mobile wood-fired pizza, classic mushroom pepperoni. Pull this pie, this Canadian style parking lot pie. Oh. It smells so good. All right, let's try this pie out. All right, let's try this pie out now. Very cheesy pie. Good amounts of grease. I like a little bit of grease on my pizza. Nice wood-fired bottom here. Good flaky crust. Plenty of mushrooms. Pepperoni. Oh yeah. This is a good pizza. You couldn't even tell this is from Canada. Wood-fired, Fired Up, mobile wood-fired pizza in Winnipeg, Manitoba. I'm at the Shelmerdine Garden Center here in the air conditioning because it's like 30°C. Oh my God. Nice pizza. I already took a bite out of this one. I couldn't resist. I took a bite out of it before I hit record to show you guys, and then it would look so good I couldn't resist. A nice doughiness to the crust. With a little bit of crunch. For being cooked in a parking lot, out of a truck here, this is good pizza. So try it out. If you live in Winnipeg, Manitoba, you're traveling through, go find yourself some Fired Up mobile wood-fired pizza. I'm gonna crush this whole pizza here and go check out some more garden centers. See ya.